Watching iconic designs at the Children's Discovery Museum in San Jose, California. Blue color. Thomas is primarily blue in color, with a vibrant shade that stands out. This blue paintwork is one of the most distinctive visual traits. Smiling face. Thomas has a friendly and expressive face, complete with two large eyes and a smiling mouth. This human-like face adds a relatable and endearing quality to the character. Number 1. Thomas is adorned with a prominent number 1 painted on his side. This number represents his position as the first engine on the fictional railway and further enhances his individuality. Dome and funnel. Thomas has a distinctive dome-shaped structure on top of the boiler. Thomas also features a funnel at the front of the boiler, adding to the classic steam locomotive appearance. Lamp on the front. A small lamp or headlight is typically positioned on the front of Thomas, adding an extra detail to the design. This lamp suggests that Thomas is always ready for his railway adventures, day or night. Smiling face. Thomas has a friendly and expressive face, complete with two large eyes and a smiling mouth. This human-like face adds a relatable and endearing quality to the character. Red running board. Thomas has red running boards along the sides of his boiler, extending from the front to the rear. This distinctive red coloration creates a visual contrast against his blue body. Single headlight. Vespa scooters typically have a single large headlight positioned at the front. This classic headlight design adds to the scooter's retro charm and provides ample illumination. Rounded body. Vespa scooters are known for their rounded body shape, giving them a sleek and curvaceous silhouette. This design element sets them apart from other scooters and lends a sense of elegance. Front apron. Vespa scooters feature a front apron that extends down from the handlebars towards the front wheel. The apron often includes a shield-like emblem, bearing the Vespa logo, adding to the scooter's identity. Step-through design. One of the defining features of Vespa scooters is their step-through design. The absence of a traditional motorcycle-style frame allows riders to easily mount and dismount the scooter, providing convenience and accessibility. Created by the Italian company Piaggio in 1946, Vespa scooters quickly became synonymous with Italian style and the concept of la dolce vita, the sweet life.